In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your downloads are blocked in Microsoft Edge. So I've got two different methods we can use to fix this, so hopefully one of these should work for you. The first thing you need to do is just head over to this top right horizontal line and then come down and select Settings. From the left hand side, click on Cookies and Site Permissions. Scroll down to Pop-ups and Redirects and click on this. And if you have Blocked Recommended turned on like this, then all you need to do is disable this feature and that should now fix your downloads. It's also a good idea is if you have any sites in this block list here, you just want to make sure to remove them. This can be another reason why you're unable to download certain things. And then once you've done that, we're going to close out of this window, head over to your Start menu and then search for Windows Security. From here, click on the Windows Security tab, click on Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down to Manage Settings, and make sure to turn off real-time protection. Once you've disabled real-time protection, you can then come back out of this window, back once again, and then scroll down to App and Browser Control. And this is another thing that you need to ensure is turned off. And once you've disabled both of these features, you can then head back over to Microsoft Edge, and that should have now solved your download issue. So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if this did help you, and I'll see you in the next one.